So here we're getting ready to place the engine air filter on this Toyota Rav4. So what we'll need to do is, the first thing is that we are going to disconnect the mass airflow sensor, and the reason is because we're going to be lifting this and pulling this away, and I don't want to put any tension on this connector here and these wires. I don't want them to get damaged. So even though you technically could replace the engine air filter without disconnecting this, we would recommend just disconnecting that really quick. All you have to do is just you press on this here and then you pull this off, and that's it. So that sensor is disconnected, and it'll make it a little bit easy. We don't want to make sure we don't cause any other problems while we do this. Here you come here right at the top, you have these metal clips here. You just pull them this way and pull them to the side, and this will unlock the housing. Now the housing is also lashed in the bottom there, but it just put in these two holes, and in order to take this off, what you want to do is lift it up a little bit and then pull it up, and we can see these pieces right here that go into those holes. All right, so that's how much you need to lift it up. It's 3 or 4 inches here. That's enough room for you to grab the engine air filter and pull that off. Now you want to check here. A lot of times you'll find leaves and things like that inside. In this case there isn't any, but if there is, you want to clean that up and take the new engine air filter. This gasket is on top and the filter is facing down, so pay attention to that before you remove it. Make sure this is sitting properly all the way around. Now what we want to do is we want to have this up, then we want to take these two, line them up with the holes, and then push down. Okay, so we're going to push down on those. So this locked, but that one hasn't locked. This one is not exactly right, so I just fixed that, and then now we should be able to close this. All right, and then you take the clips and you just press them in and they close. Now a lot of times you might have a hard time closing these clips is because this top housing is not lined properly with the bottom part. The gasket, the engine air filter gasket, might be on the way. So that's it. And if you did disconnect the mass airflow sensor over here, make sure you connect it, push it in until that clicks, and that's all. Thank you for watching.